How to check internet speed without any apps in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to do it directly through your browser in just a few steps. First, open your browser on your PC. From there, go to fast.com in the address bar and hit enter. After that, the speed test will start automatically and begin measuring your download speed right away. At this point, wait a few seconds for the test to complete. Once it's done, you'll see your download speed displayed on the screen. Following this, click Show More Info to also see your upload speed and latency, which gives you a more complete picture of how your connection is performing. From here, if you want a second opinion, open a new tab and go to speedtest.net. Click Go, and it will run a similar test measuring your ping, download, and upload speed all at once. Keep in mind that for the most accurate results, run the test while nothing else on your network is downloading or streaming, and try running it a couple of times to get a consistent reading. That's how you check your internet speed without any apps. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!